Okay, this is CES 2026. I'm at the AMD booth and I'm speaking to
Krishnan.
Krishna, okay. And what are we looking at here?
We're looking at a couple of things here. So at the top, we're looking at an application called Generate. It's an interface that lets you connect to various data sources that you see here, like Notion, Jira, and Facebook, email, Databricks, a bunch of them. And it lets you pull data from them and provides you a natural language interface to talk to all of your other data sources in one place. And the key here is all of this processing is happening on your device. You don't need another subscription.
Awesome.
So it's fully private. You don't have to worry about providing access to your Jira to another cloud provider and go through all the corporate hoops to get permission. So given all of this is happening locally, you can throw queries like, okay, what are all the issues that have been assigned to me over the past week? And it'll list everything out for you instead of you clicking through many different interfaces and figuring out what's going on.
Yeah, that's awesome. So that looks really cool. So this is powered by AMD. What's the AMD focus here?
Yes, so the application is by a company called Generate, but the LLM processing happens on the AMD processors underneath. So what we are showcasing, we work closely with the Generate team to build this application and provide the AMD processing through our platform called Lemonade, which helps support running the LLMs and all the other models required to power such an experience.
Awesome. Okay, thank you very much. You have an excellent day.